Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive, supporters, and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Okay guys, sorry about this sniffle. I've been sick for about a week now. And I've actually been up all night. What time is it? It is 8:17 in the morning. Like I said, I've been up all night. But I do feel a little bit better. And when I get done with this video, I'm going to bed. Just wanted to come back and remind you of the Caddy 3.0. That's the only thing I could come up with besides the names that you guys got for me. I haven't forgot about that though. Okay, so hold on with that one. But this is the Caddy 3.0. I'm sorry, yeah, 3.0. And this is the one that I showed you that was the bare bones one that I made with the boxes. Okay. And I just love this one. This one I didn't put the windows in this one. This was just me trying to make the box. And I think this one is so super cute. But let me show you Craft Caddy 3.1. And here it is. And for this one, I made the boxes right here shorter so that you can see these boxes. There's no window in here yet. I am going to put one in there, but I just went and did this. And I used the different kind of papers, the different designs on the papers, because in the yellow one, I think that I had said that if I had used like different papers, see this one has all these are the same pattern paper. I had said that I think that this would have been more interesting. It would have been more interesting if I had used different papers. So with this one, I actually used different papers, and it is more interesting. And I shortened this little pocket here so that the box, you can see the box a little bit. So that's the box here. I mean, that's the Craft Caddy. Again, I'm still waiting on my little snap tool, plastic snap thing. This right here is a thumbtack that I just bent to hold it in place until I get my snap tool. It should be here one day this week. I think by at least Wednesday I should have it in my hand, my new one. And I still have the other one that's around here somewhere. It's a new one as well. I just don't know where it is right now. I couldn't find it, and I've actually stopped looking for it. And it's gonna pop up probably the day that my new one gets here, my other new one gets here. But this is the Craft Caddy 3.1 with the shorter pockets to hold the boxes. Okay, so guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.